Our brief profile. RF Solutions Limited UK offers a powerful range of IoT and wireless monitoring sensors designed to provide a real-time data collection and monitoring via a smartphone app or an online web database. The meaning of IoT is Internet of Things. These innovative sensors enable seamless wireless connectivity, allowing users to track critical parameters remotely and automate processes with ease. They are ideal for a wide variety of industrial, commercial, and home applications. The sensors deliver precise measurements and reliable performance, ensuring your systems are always running optimally. Whether you are monitoring environmental conditions, security, or industrial processes, RF Solutions has the ideal sensor solution for your application. Track, analyze, and optimize your operations effortlessly with our advanced wireless monitoring systems. Company introduction. Net Comstar Limited Nigeria is a representative partner of RF Solutions Limited UK. We are a renewable solar company integrating energy box manufacture, data links, network communications, radio frequency remote control, IoT sensors, and skill training. The company was established in 2013 and incorporated in 2015 in Nigeria. As part of our major service packages, we design RF remote control product applications, train professionals, and install for customers. RF Solutions Limited UK is manufacturers of industrial remote control systems, radio modules, and IoT sensors, holding BSI Certificate of Registration Number FM 76316. The company is located in a 20,000 square feet purpose-built facility at Burgess Hill in the West Sussex County of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and has been in trade since 1992. RF Solutions is global leader in the RF industry, providing a wide range of off-the-shelf products, along with custom OEM solutions and contract manufacturing. RF Solutions has a long-standing experience, knowledge, and capabilities to engage with companies and individuals that need a very high-quality product, no matter the order volume. As our outstanding trading partner, RF Solutions quality is imperative to customers. The company operates an ISO 9001 certified quality management system, led and maintained by 2 on-site quality control officers.
RF Solutions started in a bedroom in Lewes many years ago. When we manufacture a product at RF Solutions, we start at the goods inwards, where materials arrive and are individually batch controlled. So we don't just hold a component part on our warehouse shelf, we hold individual batches of component parts.